Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about operators in Python. So in the previous video we discussed about a few operators, right? So we'll discuss the remaining operators. The first one is assignment operators. So what are assignment operators? For example, if we say x equal to 5, that means we are assigning a value 5 to x. So assignment operators are used in Python to assign values to variables. So that is what. So a equal to 5 is a simple assignment operator that assigns the value 5 on the right to the value variable a on the left. There are various compound operators in Python like a plus equal to 5. So what does it mean? So these compound operators are nothing but a equal to a plus 5. So it's a shortcut of writing a plus equal to 5. So that adds to the variable and let us assign the same. It is equivalent to a equal to a plus 5. Okay. So what are the operators we have here? So equal to. So if we say x equal to 5, so which is equivalent to x equal to 5. So plus equal to. So if we say x plus equal to 5, so it's nothing but x equal to x plus 5. So let's see each one. So if we say x equal to 5, okay, so print x. So here we assign a value x equal to 5 and 5 is printed. So if we say x plus equal to 10, okay, so now print x. So first 5 is printed, next x equal to x plus 10. So which is nothing but previously it was 5, so x equal to 5 plus 10, which is 15. Now 15 is printed. Okay, like that we have x minus equal to 5. So for example, if we say x minus equal to 5, okay, so if you execute this, we'll get minus 5. Okay, so why? Because x equal to x minus 5, so 5 minus 10, which is nothing but minus 5. Okay, so this is one sort of an operator. So x minus equal to 10, which means that x equal to x minus 10. Okay, so next is x star equal to 5. So if you write x star equal to 5, 10, so we'll get 50. So x equal to 5 previously, now 5 into 10, which is 50. Okay. So next is divided by. So x divided by equal to. So if I execute this, we'll get the 0.5 because x equal to 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 is nothing but 0.5. Okay. So next percentile equal to. So if you say percentile equal to, okay, so if you execute this, what do we get? We get 5. So 5 divided by 10. So we'll get 5. So next is floor division. So x double slash equal to 10. Okay, so we'll get floor division as 0. Okay, so like that we have many operators here. Okay, so and equal to, double star equal to. So double star equal to is nothing but power. So if we say double star equal to, so we'll get it's a big value. Okay, so next, so if you say and equal to, so x equal to x and, so if you say and equal to, so we'll get 0. Okay, so like that. So we have many operators like it, and equal to, or equal to, okay, XOR equal to, right shift equal to, left shift equal to. So these are many assignment operators which we have here. Okay, so next one is special operators. So Python language offers some special types of operators like the identity operator or the membership operator. So here we have identity operators. So if we discuss about identity operators, here we have two things. One is not. So is and is not are the identity operators in Python. Okay, so they are used to check if two values or variables are located on the same part of the memory. So two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. So if you see is true if the operands are identical, so refer to the same object, so then it is true. So if you say is not true if the operands are not identical, so do not refer to the same object. So x is not true. So let's see an example for this. So let's see x1 equal to 5, y1 equal to 5, x2 equal to hello, y2 equal to hello. So x3 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, y3 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so x1 is not y1. So what is x1? 5 is not y1. So is it true? No. Why? Because x1 is y1. Why? Because 5 equal to 5. But we are saying that x1 is not y1. So it is false. So we'll get output false. Next, x2 is y2. So x2 is hello, y2 is hello. Okay, so both are same, right? So true. So you can understand. So is not is. And x3 is y3. So x3 is 1, 2, 3. Y3 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, but it is false. Okay, so here the main thing which we need to focus is x1 is whether it is same, identical or not. Okay, so that's what we need to check. So if you see, this is the output which we get. Okay, so next one is membership operators. So membership operators is in and not in. So in and not in are the membership operators in Python. They are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence like string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So in a dictionary, we can only test for presence of key, not the value. Okay, so here we have two things, in, not in. So true if value or variable is found in the sequence. So 5 in x, if it is present, we'll get true. Okay, 5 not in x. So let us see an example here. So if we say x equal to 1, 2, 3, it's a list. Okay, so print 1 in x. Okay, so let's see what we get. So we get true. Why? Because 1 is present in that list. So if I say 4 in x. Okay, so if we execute, we'll get false. Why? Because 4 is not present in. So if we say 4 not in x. So if I say not in, then it will yield true. So true. Why? Because 4 is not there in x. So that's what we're saying. So it is true. Okay, if we say 1 not in x, it will be false. Why? Because 1 is present in x. So it will get false. Okay, so this is a membership operator like in, not in. So these are with this we completed our operators in Python. Okay, so the students who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers. Please support my channel in all possible ways. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.